Today we're making shrimp and grits, the ultimate southern comfort food, with sautéed shrimp and bacon served with the juices over cheesy grits. We'll start by making the grits with chicken broth, milk, butter, and salt. Once it's boiling, whisk in the grits for about 10 to 15 minutes, whisking occasionally until it's nice and creamy. It's not completely done right now, so we're going to cover it and put it aside to steam. Next, we're going to break out our skillet and cook up some bacon until it's nice and crispy. Then we're going to saute the shrimp in the bacon grease, seasoning it with what you want, salt, pepper, I put some chili powder in there, and we're going to cook that until it's done. Then add some chicken broth, a little more butter, and sprinkle that cooked bacon on top. Now let's go back to the grits and stir in that cheese. So good! You're going to serve the grits with the shrimp on top, as well as a good helping of those juices. Y'all are going to love this easy weeknight recipe. It's so comforting. Yum! Get this recipe and more at bowlofdelicious.com.